Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is an example when we need to make an audio song or track or any audio clean without curse words. So this is, you can see here, a drastic difference between, for example, original with curse words and the second one is clean, is the same track clean, original from disk or from online shop. As you see, original quality here more or less understandable, that is correct audio flag copy. Here in clean version we have loss of quality, so it doesn't correspond to original quality. And this is an example of elaborated clean track based on this one, the first one, with curse words. So manually cleaning curse words we will get original quality, not like this one from the shop or downloaded. So such a manual it is. This is an example made with Acoustica Mixcraft Pro version 8. It has this line, this is type of program, so glorify the God forever.